Hello students, myself Rahul Mishra, and today we will discuss the next numerical problem which is based on gaseous law. So listen, this numerical problem is based on ideal gas equation. So listen, question number, your next question is, listen, calculate the density of carbon dioxide, it means CO2, at 100 degrees Celsius and 800 mmHg pressure. It means आपको CO2 गैस की डेंसिटी निकालनी है किस टेम्परेचर पर, 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर, और किस प्रेशर पर, 800 mmHg प्रेशर पर. So listen, first we write the given data. So what is the given data? Pressure is given 800 mmHg, and listen, temperature is given 100 degrees Celsius, pressure is given 800 mmHg. Now listen, you have to find density. हमको निकालना क्या है? Density. So listen, we all know that to calculate density, we all know that density is equal to mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. It means अगर हमें कहीं पर W by V मिल गया, then we replace W by V by density and we can calculate density. It means अगर हमें कहीं किसी फॉर्मूले में W by V मिल गया तो हम वहां से डेंसिटी को निकाल सकते हैं. So listen, in this question we use ideal gas equation. इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन यूज करेंगे. Now listen, what is ideal gas equation? It is PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. What is capital P? It is pressure. What is capital V? It is volume of the gas. What is small m? It is number of moles of the gas. What is capital R? It is gas constant. What is capital T? It is absolute temperature. Now listen. Now in this formula we put number of moles equal to W by M. What is W? It is given mass. Small m is molecular mass. We all know that number of moles, it is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. Now we put it into this formula and it will become PV is equal to W by M into RT. Now listen, now we take कैपिटल V in right side. अब हम कैपिटल V को राइट साइड में लेते हैं. Then listen, capital P will become W by M into capital V into RT. Now, so listen, this is W by V, and W by V is what? It is density. So W by V is taken together. So listen, W by V, we form this ratio W by V because we have to calculate density. So listen, capital P will be W by V into RT by M into RT by M. Now we can write capital P is equal to what? W by V. Instead of W by V, we can write it is small d, density. So capital P is equal to D into RT by M. Now we have to calculate density. हमको डेंसिटी निकालना है, इसलिए यहां से डेंसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? कैपिटल P इंटू M डिवाइडेड बाई RT. इट विल बी कैपिटल P इंटू M डिवाइडेड बाई RT. सो दिस विल बी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ डेंसिटी. ये क्या होगा? डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला होगा. नाउ वी विल पुट all the values. So listen, now we put the value of pressure. It is 800 upon 760. Why? Because listen, we have to put capital R value. हमको यहाँ capital R की value रखनी है, और capital R जो होता है वो होता है 0.0821 लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर पर मोल केल्विन. इट मीन्स जो यहाँ प्रेशर की यूनिट आती है वो एटमॉस्फेयर में आती है, इसलिए हमें इस प्रेशर की वैल्यू में जो यूनिट यूज करना है वो कौन सी यूज करना है, एटमॉस्फेयर यूज करना है, ना कि mmHg. इट मीन्स अगर हमें mmHg क्वेश्चन में दी गई है तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, कन्वर्ट करेंगे एटमॉस्फेयर में. सो 1 mmHg इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 760 एटमॉस्फेयर. सो प्रेशर विल बी 800 upon 760 atmosphere. Now we will put pressure is 800 upon 760 atmosphere. What is small m? This is the molecular mass of CO2, and it is what? It is equal to 44 gram. So it is 44 divided by capital R is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin into capital T is absolute temperature. It is 373 Kelvin. It is given into your question. So listen, it is 373 Kelvin. Now we solve it and we can calculate density, and listen, it will come 1.522 gram per liter. So this will be the density of CO2 gas at 100 degrees Celsius and 800 mmHg pressure. Now you can write it.